In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit checkout page in Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your checkout settings, how to open the form editor, and how to add, arrange, and require fields so the checkout experience fits your business needs. Start in the Wix editor. Move your cursor over the Wix logo in the top corner to open the main menu. From there, choose Go to Dashboard. The dashboard is where all your store's behind-the-scenes settings live, including checkout. Once the dashboard loads, open Settings. This is the control center for store policies, payments, and checkout preferences. In the Settings menu, select Checkout. This section groups everything related to how customers complete their purchase, so any changes here affect the live checkout experience across your site. Look for the Checkout Form area. This is where the fields your shoppers fill out are managed. Click Edit to launch the Form Composer. The form editor opens a visual workspace. You'll see your current checkout fields in the main area and options to add more fields using the plus icon. This is designed to be intuitive, so you can drag and drop elements to organize the form the way you want. To add a new field, click the plus icon. As an example, drag the company name element onto the form. Place it in the section that makes the most sense for your flow, like under customer details or billing information. You can reorder fields by dragging them until the layout feels clear and logical. When you select a field, you'll see options to customize it. If a piece of information is essential for your operations or invoicing, toggle the required field setting. Use this thoughtfully. Required fields can improve data quality, but too many can slow customers down. Prioritize only the details you truly need to fulfill orders, verify shipping, or meet tax and invoicing requirements. Make any additional adjustments you need within the editor, such as renaming labels for clarity or aligning the form with your brand's tone. Keep usability in mind. Short, clear labels and a simple top-to-bottom flow help customers complete checkout faster. If you serve different customer types, consider whether each added field benefits most buyers. When you're happy with the layout and settings, click Save. Your checkout form changes are now stored and will be used when customers place orders. That's it. You navigated from the editor to the dashboard, opened settings, went into checkout, edited the checkout form, added a field, set it as required when needed, and saved your changes. Keep your form concise, clear, and customer friendly, and you'll reduce friction at the most important step, getting the order across the finish line.